Muling tiniyak ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang suporta ng kanyang administrasyon para patuloy na mapalakas ang kakayahan ng Philippine Air Force. Samantala, ilang kagamitan naman ang kailangang isama para maging full package ang multi-role fighter jet acquisition program na bahagi ng AFP modernization. May report si Patrick De Jesus.
Nais ni Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro na maging full package ang multi-role fighter jet o MRF acquisition program para sa Philippine Air Force. Dapat anya nakasama rito ang airborne warning and control system aircraft at mid-air refueling platform para matiyak na magiging tunay na epektibo ang pagkakaroon ng MRF.
A lot of countries have experienced the fact that they are realizing that they need AWACS, notwithstanding the fact that their satellite capability, it's not enough. We need tankers and we need sustainment. I know the expectations of our people, but it is my responsibility to make sure that each peso spent can be supported and justified.
Aminado naman si Teodoro na isa sa hamon ng pondo para sa pagbili at pag-maintain ng multi-role fighter jets. Kaya't nakikipag-ugnayan siya sa Department of Finance at Department of Budget and Management at kinokonsidera ang syndicated loan at iba pang alternatibong revenue source.
Ako ready ako magdesisyon eh. Ang pagkukunan ng bayarin at yun ang pinag-uusapan namin, no?
It is easy to buy and make the first tranche. However, what we do not want is to buy, have orders, have deliveries, and not being able to use them to their optimal, for their optimal use, and just have them flying air shows. That we will not countenance.
Noong nakaraang taon nang aprobahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang MRF Acquisition Program bilang bahagi ng nagpapatuloy na modernisasyon ng Philippine Air Force sa pagdiriwang ng ika-78 anibersaryo ng PAF na pinangunahan ng Pangulo. Tiniyak niya ang patuloy na pagsuporta ng kanyang administrasyon para palakasin pa ang kanilang kapabilidad.
Habang umaasa ang taong bayan sa inyo, kayo naman ay may maaasahan sa administrasyong ito. Bilang inyong Commander-in-Chief, titiyakin kong buo at tapat ang suporta at malasakit ko sa inyong lahat na Philippine Air Force.
Pinuri at kinilala naman ng Commander-in-Chief ang kahandaan ng PAF sa pagtugon sa kanilang tungkulin, kagaya ng pagresponde sa mga kalamidad at pagprotekta sa airspace ng bansa.
I say this with great pride. The Philippine Air Force is a force on its own right. It is a credible, agile, essential to our country's aerospace defense.
Bilang tugon, ipinangako ng Air Force na pagtutuunan din ng external defense alinsunod sa mandato ng Pangulo.
To our Commander-in-Chief, Sir, when you challenge the armed forces to realign and sharpen our focus towards territorial defense, we understood the gravity of your mandate and the urgency of your vision. Together, we fly farther not just to defend the skies, but to shape a future where our Air Force stands ready, relevant, and resilient.
Patrick De Jesus para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.